Kornuka koukej! My name is Daniel, 49 years old, based in Czechia, in the heart of Europe, living in a small village, 200 people around us. I came out prior my military service, late 90s, when I was at university. Even when I was soldier, it was known to the others that I'm a gay person, and it was not a problem. This is my partner, Martin. He just actually came from the office. Can you come in, please? So that's him.
Hi.
With his coffee all the time. We met in 1994. We both did education for tourist guides, and to pass the final exam, we had to travel to Croatia, to the seaside, and to be a real guide for 1 week in a hotel.
And you had a pretty easy coming out.
Yes, it was fine for me because both my family and my friends accepted. Even I told them, they reacted, but we knew anyhow. So it was kind of very easy to tell them and to be honest to everybody. Even to me, that was the most important, to be honest to me, not to pretend. But 20 years ago it was easy. Now I start to feel in the society some change. As an example, in Czechia it's not possible to be married as a gay person. The law doesn't allow it to you. So even I have known my husband or partner, in this case, since 1994. We have lived together in one household since 2001, and we are registered as a partner since 2006. We are actually not married, means that the law doesn't give us any relationship. I feel a need, as I work for IKEA, for this big company, to support and inspire others. We know that in Czechia young people are afraid, some of them are afraid, to do coming out. We at IKEA even support those young people not to be afraid to state, I'm gay, I'm lesbian, I do my coming out.